Have you ever heard someone say accuracy when they really meant precision? These two words are often used interchangeably, but they have very different meanings in science and engineering. It's like mixing up the ingredients in a recipe. You might end up with something edible, but it won't be what you expected. In this essay, we'll explore the difference between accuracy and precision, and why it's important to know which is which. We'll use simple examples and clear language to help you understand these concepts. By the end, you'll be a pro at telling the difference between accuracy and precision. Imagine you're playing darts. Accuracy is about hitting the bullseye, the exact target you aim for. Precision, on the other hand, is about consistency. If your darts land close to each other but far from the bullseye, you're precise but not accurate. In scientific experiments, accuracy refers to how close a measurement is to the true value, while precision indicates how reproducible the measurements are. Both are crucial, but they serve different purposes. High accuracy ensures that your results are correct, while high precision ensures that your results are reliable. Think of it like baking a cake. Accuracy is using the exact amount of flour the recipe calls for, while precision is using the same amount of flour every time you bake. Understanding the difference can help you troubleshoot problems in experiments and improve the quality of your work. So next time you hear someone mix up accuracy and precision, you'll know exactly what they mean and why it matters. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into these concepts with more examples and practical tips. By mastering accuracy and precision, you'll be well on your way to becoming a more effective scientist or engineer. Let's get started on this exciting journey of discovery and learning. Accuracy refers to how close a measurement is to the true or accepted value. Think of it like this. If you're playing darts and you hit the bullseye, you're accurate. You hit the target you were aiming for. Here's another example. Imagine you're measuring the length of a piece of paper with a ruler. If the paper is actually 11 inches long and you measure it as 11 inches, then your measurement is accurate. You got the right answer. Precision, on the other hand, refers to how close repeated measurements are to each other. This concept is crucial in scientific experiments and everyday measurements alike. It doesn't matter if the measurements are close to the true value, just that they are close to each other. This means that precision is all about consistency and repeatability. Think of it like this. If you're playing darts and you hit the same spot on the board multiple times in a row, you're precise. Even if that spot isn't the bullseye, your ability to hit the same spot repeatedly shows precision. It doesn't matter if that spot is the bullseye or not, just that you can hit it consistently. Precision is about the reliability of your aim, not necessarily its accuracy. Let's go back to our paper measuring example. Imagine you have a piece of paper that you need to measure multiple times. If you measure the piece of paper 3 times and get 10.9 inches, 10.9 inches, and 10.9 inches, then your measurements are precise. This consistency is key in many fields, from engineering to cooking. They're all very close to each other, even though they're not accurate. Remember, the paper is actually 11 inches long. Accuracy would mean hitting the true value, but precision is about the closeness of your repeated measurements. In scientific research, precision is often just as important as accuracy. When scientists conduct experiments, they need to ensure that their measurements are repeatable and reliable. This allows other researchers to replicate their experiments and verify the results. Without precision, scientific findings could be inconsistent and unreliable. Precision also plays a crucial role in quality control and manufacturing. Products need to meet specific standards, and precise measurements ensure that each item produced is consistent with those standards. For example, in the automotive industry, precise measurements are essential to ensure that parts fit together correctly and function as intended. In summary, precision is all about consistency and repeatability. Whether you're measuring a piece of paper, throwing darts, or conducting scientific research, being able to achieve the same result repeatedly is what defines precision. So the next time you measure something, remember that precision is just as important as accuracy. Strive for both, and you'll be well on your way to achieving reliable and trustworthy results. Precision ensures that your measurements are consistent, while accuracy ensures that they are correct. Together, they form the foundation of reliable measurement practices. By understanding and applying the concepts of precision and accuracy, you can improve the quality of your work and achieve better results in any field that requires careful measurement. Let's imagine an archery competition to illustrate the difference between accuracy and precision. These two concepts are often confused, but they are quite distinct, and understanding them can be very useful in various fields from science to everyday life. Let's say we have two archers, Robin and Katniss. Both are skilled, but their shooting styles and results are very different. Robin shoots his arrows and they all land very close to the center of the target, clustered tightly together. This means that Robin's shots are very consistent. Every time he releases an arrow, it lands near the same spot as his previous arrows. Katniss, on the other hand, shoots her arrows, and they are scattered all over the target and beyond. Her arrows do not land in a consistent pattern, they are spread out across the target. In this scenario, Robin is more precise than Katniss. Precision refers to the consistency of the results. Robin's arrows are consistently landing in a similar spot even if it's not the bullseye. His arrows are consistently landing in a similar spot even if it's not the bullseye. This consistency is what defines precision. It means that Robin can reliably hit the same area of the target with each shot. Katniss's arrows are all over the place, indicating low precision. Her shots are not consistent. Each arrow lands in a different part of the target. Now, let's say that, surprisingly, the average position of Katniss's arrows is closer to the bullseye than Robin's tightly clustered group. This introduces the concept of accuracy. This means Katniss is more accurate than Robin, even though she is less precise. Accuracy refers to how close the arrows are to the true center of the target, the bullseye. Her arrows are, on average, closer to the true center of the target, even though they are more spread out. This means that while Katniss's shots are not consistent, they are closer to the intended target on average. To summarize, precision is about consistency, while accuracy is about closeness to the target. Robin is precise because his arrows land in the same area, but he is not as accurate because that area is not the bullseye. Katniss is accurate because her arrows are closer to the bullseye on average, but she is not precise because her arrows are scattered. This distinction is important in many fields. For example, in scientific experiments, you want your measurements to be both accurate and precise. Accurate measurements are close to the true value, while precise measurements are consistent. Understanding the difference between accuracy and precision can help in various situations, whether you're conducting experiments, playing sports, or even just trying to improve your skills in a hobby. So, next time you aim for a goal, remember, being precise means being consistent, and being accurate means hitting close to the mark. Both are valuable, but they are not the same. And just like Robin and Katniss, understanding your strengths and areas for improvement can help you become better at whatever you do. Whether in archery or any other field, knowing the difference between accuracy and precision can guide you to better performance and greater success. Why accuracy matters? Getting the right diagnosis. Accuracy is crucial in many areas of life, especially when the stakes are high. For instance, in healthcare, an accurate diagnosis is essential for effective treatment. Imagine a patient complaining of severe headaches. If the doctor misdiagnoses the problem as a simple tension headache when it's actually a brain tumor, the consequences could be dire. The patient may not receive the correct treatment, leading to further complications and potentially life-threatening situations. Why precision matters. Manufacturing tiny parts. Precision is paramount in fields like manufacturing and engineering, where even the slightest deviation can have a significant impact. Consider the production of microchips for smartphones. These chips contain billions of transistors, each smaller than a human hair. If the manufacturing process lacks precision, even a tiny error in the placement or size of a single transistor can render the entire chip useless. Precision ensures that each component is created and assembled with extreme accuracy, guaranteeing the functionality and reliability of the final product. Accuracy and precision, the best of both worlds. In many cases, we need both accuracy and precision. Think about a basketball player taking a free throw. For the player to score, they need to be both accurate. The ball needs to go in the hoop, and precise. They need to be able to repeat the same shot over and over again. Another example is scientific research. When conducting experiments, scientists need to be sure that their measurements are both accurate, close to the true value, and precise, repeatable. This ensures that their results are reliable and can be used to draw meaningful conclusions. The importance of understanding the difference. Understanding the difference between accuracy and precision is crucial for effective communication and problem solving in various fields. It allows us to interpret data correctly. We can better understand and evaluate data when we know whether it's accurate, precise, or both. Identify potential errors. Recognizing a lack of accuracy or precision can help us identify potential problems in our methods or equipment. Make informed decisions. We can make more informed decisions about everything from medical treatments to engineering designs when we understand the difference between accuracy and precision. Conclusion: accuracy and precision in everyday life. Accuracy and precision are fundamental concepts that extend far beyond the realms of science and engineering. From cooking a delicious meal to playing a musical instrument, we encounter situations every day where both accuracy and precision are essential for success. By understanding the distinction between these two concepts, we can improve our communication, enhance our problem-solving abilities, and ultimately, navigate the world around us with greater clarity and precision.